In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement into your financial software. This process is straightforward once you know the steps, and it can really help streamline your accounting tasks. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the banking module, which you can find on the left sidebar of your application's interface. This module is your gateway to managing all your financial transactions efficiently. Take a moment to locate it, and once you're there, you'll see a list of your bank and credit card accounts. For this tutorial, choose the specific account into which you want to import the statement. This could be any of your linked bank accounts, or perhaps a credit card account that needs update. It's essential to ensure you've selected the correct account to avoid any mix-ups later on. Once you've selected the desired account, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Import Statement button. Clicking this button initiates the process of importing your bank statement. A prompt will appear, directing you to upload your statement file. In the Upload File field, you'll want to click Choose File. This takes you to your computer's local storage, where you can navigate to wherever your bank statement is saved. Remember, your file should be in one of the supported formats, which include CSV, TSV, OFX, QIF, and CAMT-53. These are common formats, but ensure you have the right one for seamless uploading. Once the file is selected, you'll encounter the option to select the amount column type. This step is crucial as it determines how the software interprets the data from your statement. Depending on how your bank statement is organized, you might select double column, where you have separate columns for debits and credits, or single column, where both are combined. Another variant might involve single column with negative values, where debits are marked by negative numbers. Next, ensure you select the correct character encoding and file delimiter. These settings help the software correctly read your file's data. Character encoding ensures that the characters in your text appear correctly, especially if your language uses accents or special symbols. The file delimiter, usually a comma or tab, is what separates the columns in your statement file. Matching this with your document's formatting is key to a clean import. After setting these technical details, you're ready to review the data on the preview page. The preview page gives you a snapshot of what the imported data will look like. Carefully check this page to confirm that the information aligns as expected, as any discrepancies here could lead to mismanaged accounts later. When you're satisfied that everything looks right, you're ready to proceed with the final step. Click the Import button to complete the process. Once done, your statement data is now part of your financial software, ready for you to manage and review as needed. And that's it. You've successfully imported your bank statement, simplifying your accounting process with these few straightforward steps.